Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make this ring with the diamond knurling pattern. So let's get started. Open your title block with layers and save as your ring, name of your ring. And first we are going to start from the top view. And currently I am in a 3D modeling interface, and you can access that from here with the gear. Start with a circle. I'm using 15mm in diameter. Since I chose the circle with radius, it's going to be 7.5. So we're going to extrude this. And I want to make it a band style, and I'm going to make it 7mm also. So now you're going to use the shell command. Go under solid tab, use shell, and select the object. And now you have to remove the face. So top face, then navigate under it and click on the other face as well. And now it's asking you, so now just enter, and now it's going to ask you shell offset distance. So I'm going to have 0.25 and enter twice. So I'm thinking to make a diamond knurling pattern on all of this part and have a plain band on the top and at the bottom. So let's create another ring, and that's going to be about maybe 1-2mm. So let's make it separate and make it again 7.5mm. And then press pull and make it 2mm, and then use the shell command again to go in solid shell. Select the solid and remove faces. The top face, navigate under and click on the bottom face. Let's see that. And then enter, and now it's asking you enter shell offset distance, and we are going to type 0.25. Enter twice. Let's use a filler edge radius. Let's try 0.125. Enter. We are going to add a helix. So go and draw panel, helix, and we are going to select the lower circle, and the radius 7.5, same as the ring, and then top radius 7.5. Enter. And turns, I had already added 0.25, which is quarter of 360, and then it's asking you for the height of that, and that is going to be 7, which is the same as the height of this band. And here is the helix. So I'm going to add a polygon. Number of sides 4, that means it's going to be a square. Enter, and click at the end of the helix, inscribe in a circle, and then give it a radius of 0.25 and rotate that from the center 45 degrees. So if you look at the top view, it looks like a triangle. So now we are going to use the sweep command. So we are going to select this square object to sweep, enter, and then path along the path that we want to sweep. So select the helix, and now as you can see it has swept along their path. And now we are going to use polar array. So you can go to the top view, or we can have it slightly off like this, and let's use the polar array and select that helix that was swept. Then select the center. By default there are 6 items, and we are going to try to make it 35 and see how that looks. So now you're going to use the mirror command. You're going to select all those helix items, but since I'm trying to avoid not to select the band itself, that's why I'm selecting like this. You can also individually select. And now select the center of the circle. And then enter. And select another point on the line of symmetry. Now we're going to use the subtract, solid subtract, and first we're going to select the band itself, enter, and select all these helix elements. And enter. Okay, so your helix has been subtracted. and just click anywhere on the line of symmetry. Because of the knurling pattern, the computer is lagging so much. It's having really hard time just moving. So I'm going to go to the bottom. I'm going to rotate this. At 90 degrees. And go to Visualize tab and Material Browser. And over here you can search code. If you learned something new, please like the video, subscribe. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.